On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. Happy Canada Day. Honor gang. Let's go, baby. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully we're all doing well. Bitcoin, SFP, to the moon. Slowly, very slowly. Like, incredibly slow. Slowly. Patiently. Slowly. So slow that I closed my long from the bottom because I had no patience. It's going to be one of those days, everybody. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully we're all having a wonderful morning. Up a couple hundred this morning to start the day. Close the trade out. Now we're ready to watch paint dry with an amazing group of people. What's going on, everybody? Let's jump into the charts and say good morning to all you beautiful, handsome, gorgeous, something. Hopefully we all caught that SFP. We're all celebrating Canada Day. For all y'all Canadians out there, congratulations on becoming the 51st state eventually by creating massive amounts of inflation, mass immigration, highest taxes, the lowest GDP in the whole G7. You've done a great job. You've done a great job the past 10 years. But nothing better than being demonetized and being able to post pictures like this. What do you think of this, Trader Geo? What do you think, bro? Trader Geo's in the chat. What? Oh man, I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. Nice SFP this morning. What's going on, everybody in the chat? Hopefully we're all doing well and kicking some butt, catching the SFP. I was in a long and now I'm not, and I'm regretting it. Okay. Hopefully everybody's doing well. All my fellow Canadians and all my fellow Americans. But yeah, we got a nice SFP continuation trade here, pushing out. I literally got long here and I literally got out here because I got bored. Okay. And, you know, working, setting up the stream, yada, yada, yada. Coming up here, retesting the lows currently. We'll see if we do continue to push up into here. A nice little retracement for Bitcoin. Is that sufficient enough to drop us down. Lower, I would like lower. I would like us to hit that beautiful. I would like us to really just hit that pink box, baby. That would be the ideal situation, but the way price action is going right now, slow, methodical, and painful as it is, I wouldn't expect it. Okay, look at how. I mean, this is the summer lull volatility. Okay, so we're always prepared. We're always looking for a possible trade setup here with all y'all. So make sure you say good morning. Patrick Swayze saying good morning from a very hot London. Very hot. Bloody hot. Good morning, everybody. Thank you guys for being here. If you don't know this poll, the correct answer is roller skates, okay? Neil, what's going on? Taylor Woods, Albert Rad, Jag, Guk. It's nice to see everybody's names are fixed now. Thank you, YouTube, for doing your thing. I do appreciate it. How are we all doing over there? We got good sound. Everybody's got the good sound. We got good mornings coming through. We got Otter gang coming through. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out, and subscribing to the show. We're here live every single day. Kicking butt, taking names, taking trades. Milan, what's going on? Good to see you, Crypto Rob, Crypto Birdie, Pondering, Philly Skills, JB, Apulia, what's going on? Good morning, King Beaver. I love it, man. It is Beaver Day. It is Beaver Day. Beaver is a slang word in Canada used to describe a pink box, okay? It's I think it's world renowned. Please don't forget to smash the likes on your way in. Says Alexandra G. Thank you so much for being here. Alexandra G, God bless. Drive safe. Don't work too hard. You know we appreciate you for being here. Castile, good morning. Good to see you. Shreyan, good morning. Daniel, Caprud, good morning, man. Dan. We have multiple Dans in here. I wish I knew how to distinguish the Dans. But thank you for being here, Dan. Good morning. Maybe change your picture so I would know it's the same Dan. It's the same Dan with the picture, and then we'll be good to go, man. Good morning to you. There's too many Dans in the office. Good morning, DDT. Good to see you. Good to see you, man. How you been? How are things? Is it bloody hot where you are in England as well? It's muggy. It's muggy here in Canada. Very muggy. So, we're hiding indoors. As you can see, I'm wearing a sweater, and it's like 30 degrees out. So that's Celsius. What's going on, Tim Young? Good to see you, man. Rob S., good morning to you guys. Chris Ford Ranger, good morning, Otter Gang. Good to see you, man. G'day from Australia, mate. I love it. I love my Aussies, man. And those capsicums. Nothing better than those capsicums. What's going on, Paul? Good morning to you, man. Marcus, good morning. Alex B. Good morning, Joshua. Gio, what's going on, bro? Good to see you. Hot as it's hot as the bollocks. Okay, good morning, everybody. Thank you guys for being here. Look at all these absolute legends in here. Crypto King, what's going on? Trader Gio, Alex B, Marcus, DDT, LJ, Ando, B Rad. I was not late, Milan. I'm never late, man. I pride myself on showing up on time. Okay, another lower high here. A little mitigation. I mean, I would prefer this. Okay? That would be beautiful, but imagine this takes till 10 a.m. That's probably what's going to happen. So be prepared for the slow jams, okay? It's a good song. It's also what's going on with price action this morning, okay? So be prepared for that. What's going on, Ryan Smith? Good to see you. Patrick Swayze. Alpha, Petrolheads. Good morning, Governor. Good morning to you, man. T Fata, what's going on? Good evening from Shanghai and happy Canada Day. Otter gang. Thank you for being here from all the way from Shanghai. That's awesome, man. Shanghai. Wild. I don't know. Is Shanghai a place to visit? Let me know, all facts. Is it somewhere like... I've never considered visiting that at Shanghai. China. But cool, man. It's cool. Travis, what's going on? F-Bomb, JB, Hulk Smash. What's going on, bro? Good to see you in here. Appreciate you guys for saying good morning. Call me Dave. Titan Packs, good morning. Muckin, good morning. Good to see you, Muckin. How you been? Diego, good morning. Greetings from Belgium. My wife is also watching for the first time. Welcome, wife. Thank you for being here. And don't mind me. I am just some Canadian dude who presses buy and sell pretty successfully. So hopefully we can help your hubby here make lots of moolah so he can buy you nice things. That's what it's all about. It's all about that wife life, baby. My wife loves it. I told her yesterday, you know, I made this much money, and she's like, you do something weird, but I love you for it. She's like, whatever you're doing, man. I think she understands, but doesn't understand. It's one of those, you know. Just clicking buttons. That's all we do, right? Clicking buttons. Newbie Crypto, good to see you. Newbie Crypto, it's hard to see your real... When you had the weird name, it was hard to see that you were here. I could recognize you by your beautiful Doge emblem, though. Henry, good morning. Huomenta Jotaja. Huomenta Jotaja. Thank you for being here. Henrique, I tried my best, man. What's going on, Ryan Smith? Sharkvin, morning. Morning to all the Dans out there. Dan Bartley, there's one of them. What's going on, Bartley? Good to see you, man. Good morning, bro. Thank you for being here. Ryan Smith. So I did get long in here, and I have closed it. So now we're waiting for the paint to dry a little bit more, okay? Still waiting, everybody. Betty Swalix kind of temp. Yeah, it's Swalix for sure. Swalix for sure. Swalix Bollix, yeah, that's the one. Swalix. Capsicum, peppers, chilies, jalapenos. That's the ones, man. That's the one. First time I looked for bell peppers in Australia, they said it's capsicum. Interesting thing, man. Eli, what's going on from Brazil? Good morning, man. Crypto Slab, good morning, James. What's going on, James Millman? How you been? Shanghai is cool as heck. I just want to do like Tokyo Drift, man. Like, get that like RX-7, take it for a spin, you know? Been there, loved it for 3 weeks. Okay, so it's somewhere I should probably consider visiting. I mean, I'm a very keen traveler. I do like to travel, so I have lapped the earth. If this is the Earth and this is where Canada is, this is South America. And then we got Europe and China and then Australia. I went across Canada. Then I flew from Canada over to England. And I went to a whole bunch of places in Europe. Then I flew from England to Abu Dhabi. I forgot Africa here. Sorry, guys. Abu Dhabi. And then I flew from Abu Dhabi, okay? Abu Dhabi to Australia, mate. Lived in Australia for a year. And I went around the earth and came back to Toronto. I have lapped the earth. Pretty fun. 3 years of traveling before I started my channel in England and Australia, kind of in between there. That's where I met Darren. What's going on, George? How's it going? Nice to be here again. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go. Happy Canada Day. David Brumbelow, thank you for the Happy Canada Day. 51st State Day. Donato Cabrera, Jesse Galuck. What's going on, guys? Good to see you in here. Thank you for being here. John Foster, Crypto, my man. He's going to hook me up with a Doberman. Let me know in the chat, what kind of dog do you have? What year? What year is a good year to get your son a puppy? What year? Like 5? 6? What do you guys think? Luke Zaldana, what's going on? David Brumbelow in the chat, man. Jesse, good luck. John Foster, just cover it. Good morning. Good to see you, man. Henrique, it was good. It meant good morning, boss, and finish. Did I nail it? Or did I have to go higher pitch, Henrique? Let me try it again. No, joking. Joking. Sorry, I don't mean to butcher your language ever. It's all fun. It's all fun. Don't they speak like these? I don't know. That's anything that's like Finnish, Swedish. I think there's just like their balls get squeezed, you know? I just keep getting myself in trouble, man. I'm never going to get monetization back. That's all right. That's all right. Who cares? Happy Canada Day and Halifax. Good to see you, Eli. Thank you for being here. I totally just butchered it. I'd say 6. You got a lab? Nice. Labs are great dogs, man. The earth is flat. Perfect, man. Perfect. Okay, so I didn't lap the earth. I just went around the earth like this. Okay. How do you explain a flat earth? Like, is it 3D? Like, do you got like a flat box here and you got like, what happens when you get here, man? Or here? All right, so this is our new sweep. We've swept that low, so we've swept that low. Let me see here. 6 years old, Rhodesian Ridgeback. Let's go, man. 1, then they can grow up together. Okay. 3 Dachshunds. Oh, awesome! You got sausage dogs, as they call them wiener dogs in Canada and sausage dogs in England. 4. Chow Chow. That's awesome, man. Homeboy's wife's not listening anymore. Did I scare him off? Good. All right. How old? You guys don't tell me how old. You guys are too busy talking about your dogs, which I don't blame you. I mean, it's like your furry child. I get it. Okay? You guys love your furry child. Taking a look at Bitcoin here. So we have rolled over overnight, everybody. So what are we going to do? What are we going to do? So we have two kind of ideas here. Really, we're at the lower part of the range, right? If we zoom out, which we're gonna, we will understand where we are looking to land. The pink box, okay? We have a couple stops along the way. The pink box at 105, and then a nice 104.5 level up in here. Okay, so depending on how far they want to go, we're ready. Okay? Bearish divergence, probably returning to where it started. Okay? Liquidity being taken out of the low right now. So a nice little retracement, to say the least. It was overdue, right? Overdue. Very painfully slow, okay? I'm not here for the painfully slow, but whatever. We'll make it work, okay? So we must be patient. We must be willing to wait for our trades, which is not always easy. We do have some data coming out today. So we do have JOLTS job openings and ISM manufacturing at 10 a.m. So we'll go a little longer today. That's what she asked for. So we're looking for some volatility maybe then. Who knows? Okay. It's a little bit of patience here. Now, we have made a new high here. So we are looking for a higher low continuation trade, right? So we're looking for something, some pullback continuation. But typically, we should be looking for shorts. Not at the bottom. You don't look for shorts at the bottom. You look for shorts in the retracement. So we'll be looking for that. Flipping through our beautiful market cipher. My God, market cipher, thank you. Thank you for sponsoring the channel. Beautiful market cipher. But this trigger wave on our daily does not look good, okay? And what happened last time, man? I mean, we corrected about 11%. Dude, 95,000, guys. Okay? We have corrected last time we had one, okay? So I'm not trying to say this is going to happen. I would prefer to see a higher low. Okay, we're all looking at the same flag, everybody. Everybody's saying bull flag. This is bullish. We're going to the moon. Whatever. Take your moon boy ideas and keep them to yourself. Right now, we are coming into support at 105. We're looking for a bounce, okay? Treat it like a range. It's a range. Buy low, sell high, okay? So right now, we're looking to retrace and not necessarily dump, okay? The 12-hour here. The 12-hour has changed market structure. So this was the key ingredient, is that the 12-hour closed above this high here, okay, giving us the opportunity for a higher low. This is the key, right? This is the key. VWAP's overextended to the downside, meaning we are trickling down here with slow volatility, and we are looking for some sort of catalyst. July 9th. Don't ask me why July 9th. I'll just tell you. To kind of send us either up or down. Okay? This is the date. Okay? July 9th. Why July 9th? Because that's the date, in my opinion, that's going to trigger some sort of certainty. Meaning, this is the date, 90-day tariff deal. Okay? This is when Donald will say, hey, these guys made a great deal with America. These guys didn't make a great deal with America. But there will be clarity within the market. So I'm looking at the 9th. I don't know what date you guys are looking at, but you heard it here first, okay? The 9th is where we should be looking for something to happen. Either, or, okay? I don't care which direction. I just want some volatility back, baby, because we're in a summer lull. So, 12-hour rolling over, 8-hour money flow rolling over as well with our, very ugly, thugly, bearish divergence and then rollover. And we're looking to take this low right now, which means a market structure shift where we should be looking for a higher low and continuation down. Okay, so a little bit scary berry. Okay, scary bearish. Retracement halfway down the candle, possibly. Okay, 104. But we have some stops along the way. Discord members know what stops are along the way. Confusing this morning, but we did it. We got through it. 4-hour overextended to the downside. VWAP trying to posture to the upside. So looking positive for later on today for a possible retracement. Okay. Looking decent, 3, 2, and 1. Getting overextended to the downside as well. Trying to push back. Whenever you see chop like this on Market Cipher, this is the 1 hour. You're typically just waiting for the higher low. That's what you're waiting for. That's the fire the long button. Okay. Until then, you keep bleeding out. So it requires a little bit of patience. Coming into our golden pocket retracement level right now. See how we react. Looking for a potential bounce out of here. Let's see what we get, everybody. Rolling over. Let's see if Bitcoin bounces here, if it wants to sweep the lows. Coming down here. get rid of this. Oops, sorry. Let's get rid of this. Okay, right through our 786. Big rollover here. Sweep of the low next. 786 here, bounce level. Trying to bounce, considering a long. Pretty cheap trade. Something like that. No trade yet. Still waiting. Still have the threat of coming down in here. Yeah, not yet. Still waiting here. NASDAQ rolling over aggressive right now. Okay. NASDAQ look nasty. Back to Biddy here. Damn. I like this for a bounce level here. Patience. Patience. Still waiting. That's the price action right now, guys. Can't help it. Can't help it. Strong candle close here. Let's just move this out of the way so we can see. Pretty aggressive roll over here. Struggling a bit here. No signs of strength. No signs of a pushback yet. We would want to see this bot up. We haven't, so we would expect sweep of the lows. Give me Doji engulfing, maybe. We'll see. Come on, Bitcoin, do something, baby. Do something. NASDAQ bouncing. Bitcoin's just flat. Okay, still waiting here. What do you guys think, chat? You gonna bounce or what? Put a 1 in the chat if you think it's gonna bounce. Put a 2 in the chat if it's going to dump. Dump. Not yet. 2. 2. It wants that pink box. 2, 2. You guys are wearing tutus? Tutus in the chat. Tutus. Got some tutus out there? You guys wearing your tutus? CVD divergence, baby. We got CVD making lows. Price action making highs. Can we get a bounce, baby? Anybody taking the long or what? You guys see a couple green candles, you get excited. I know you guys. I see you guys out there in your tutus. DDT wearing a dress. It's all right, bro. That's the South African in you, right? Nah, I'm kidding. DDT, you gonna come have a chippy tea with me or what, bro? You gonna come and buy me a brew? I'll buy you a brew. Guys, I just didn't have the confidence to press the buy button. Look at this thing. You guys can call me a nambe pambe. I don't mind. Call me a nambe pambe all you want. My God. Let's finish the top-down analysis. I'm not taking this trade. Okay, so golden pocket retracement here. 1 hour. Trickling down, right? Bleeding out. Very slow, painful price action, okay? And you're getting these like aggressive like dumps and pushes. So you can see the dump and pushback. The dump, the pushback. The dump, the pushback. The dump, the pushback. Okay? So they're not... It's not something that the long trade takes forever. Okay, this is yesterday. This is this morning. Right? 1%. Painful. Okay? Painful. Even Erythrium and Solana getting the ETF yesterday. Looks like garbage, right? Look at that. Solana. Buy the rumor. Sell the news, right? This is no trade. So, Solana retesting highs here. I don't want that alert to go off just yet. Bitcoin bleeding out. Altcoins bleeding out. Coming into our buy levels, though, so can we get the catalyst? Can we get something to suggest that price is going to go up, or are we going to continue to bleed out? That is really always the question. Looking at our 30-minute here. Money flow is trying to creep up here while making lows. A nice double bottom in here. Equal lows, no bullish divergence in there. 15 coming down as well. So this is an area where we're waiting for confluence, right? Now, when we look at this, what have we done? We just swept this low, which is great. This is a good thing. So we've swept this liquidity, which is an important job for the price to do. What's going on, family? Oh, thank you. My beautiful wife and son. So we've swept this liquidity. Now we have this next, right? We have this here. This is next on the table. How low do we want to go is the question. And you can pull fibs in here. You can do all the fun stuff you want to do. I'm looking at 105.5. That's where I'm looking. Right now we continue to bleed out. And we'll see if we get a bounce today, or if we continue to dump, we'll look for the short. Okay, either way, patience will prevail, because you got to be. This market will humble you, especially in an environment such as this. A lot of people haven't traded in this environment, which means if you haven't traded in a very slow, tweet-driven, news-driven price action kind of environment, reduce your risk, okay? Half a position size. Give yourself a bit more time to take the trade. Set a lot of alerts. This is going to free you up, okay? Because really, it's Canada Day. You guys should all be giving me the day off today, if anything, right? But, you know, crypto doesn't sleep, so I never get a holiday. But that's life, right? What's going on, LBC and Piper in the chat? What's going on, guys? DDT, good to see you guys in here. Jay Violet, what's going on, Dusty? Good morning, everybody. Darren does things keen to meet me. He wants to He wants to throw me on my midget tossing booth. I should bring it. Army Piper got a toss. Good morning, FMAS, B-Rad, Enzo. We got bounces and dumps in here. So a lot of people said we're going to roll over. We are currently bouncing. I don't like it, guys. This is shite. Okay, I'm allowed to say that on this channel. I'm not allowed to swear, but shite is accepted. Look at that bounce on the Nas. Big trend line coming in here. Interesting. Interesting. Do we got decreasing volume coming in here? A little bit. A little bit of absorption. All of our pivots are above us. It's tempting, friends. It's tempting. I want the SFP. I want this. Retest to the low, roll over, and go. We get long here. Okay? That's what we're going to get. That's what we're planning for. If not, we wait. Roll over, roll over, roll over. What's going on, Paper Planes? Good to see you, bro. F-Mask, good morning to you. Titan Packs, what's going on? Guy Kempe, good morning from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Let's go, baby. Gator time. Jesse, Darren. Darren's wearing a dress, everybody. It keeps the air. You know, dresses were made for men. You know, like that was the original. Dresses were, it's for the breeze, guys. Just women. I don't know why men don't wear dresses anymore. But originally, dresses were made for men. Weird. I think we should all wear dresses, right? They have a whole month of it, so we might as well all just do it all the time. What's going on, Diego? VWAP Magnet? Absolutely. J Violet. Del Monte, good morning. Boy, I feel like an idiot. I was literally watching the wrong stream. I was watching one of your old lives. That's all right. You're double dipping. That's a lot of AlexOCrypto, man. I don't know if I could handle that myself. Thank you for being here, Del Monte. Good morning to you. Wick's wife, what's going on, wifey? How you been? Dave Digital. I want 106,400. We're right there. We're right there, Dave. Pulling my strings. Yamnambe pambe. David Bumble, what's going on? Good morning, Army Piper. How are things piping over there in your new place? Are you settling in okay, bro? Hopefully you and Gypsy and Amy are all doing well. And Zach, sending my love to you guys. God bless. We want to stay on the right side of the trade. What about the left side, bro? That was too easy. Come on. You're making it too easy for me. Colin Crypto, good morning, bro. How you doing? Unholy says down. I think right now we're flat. If we're going to push, I think we retest this low here. And then we go, and then we come down. So we'll retest the low. Then we'll dump. Get everybody scared. Reclaim the range, and then we go up to the golden pocket VWAP area. That's the idea. And it's going to take about 2 hours. But, hey ho, here we are. We almost took the 786 long here. We almost did it. But we refrained. Golden Child, what's going on? Good morning. Good to see you. How have you been? When Canada becomes the 51st state instead of a star, we can add a little maple leaf to the American flag. I'm down, man. As long as you lower my taxes, Wick 589, I don't care what you call us. You can call us Canuck Bucks. You can call us whatever. As long as we're not paying Jesus taxes. Oh my God. You wouldn't believe the amount of tax. Never was I aware of how much tax I paid in my beautiful land of the free, as they say, the land of the freezing. What's going on, Randy? How you doing? Good to see you in the chat, Randy Hipper. Hopefully you're doing well. The Bernie, good morning, man. From Iowa. Awesome. Welcome, man. Thank you for always showing up, brother. Brave Dave. Yukon Brahmasa, good morning. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go. Let's go, baby. William B, XRP. XRP had a nice push to a very aggressive trend line yesterday and then a rejection. Okay, so we gave the XRP long from down here. Came up, it was breaking out yesterday. Now it has retraced. You're probably looking around 214. That would be a key level of support, but then you're mitigating this low, so you're probably going to continue downwards if you do lose this low. We took the long over here in our Discord, but you're probably looking over here, man. Bitcoin failing to get up. Look at that. Retested the low. Rolling over. We should have shorted this, man. I'm going to have to get our microscope out. That's what she said. That's too easy, man. FMAS. I'm setting up a long on Turbo. We took a really good trade in our Discord on Turbo, like just before the altcoin pump, just before the Trump pump. You got to keep the boys cool. Yeah, that's the one. That's why we wear the skirt. Just Cover is wearing a mini skirt. He's hiked it up, man. He's hiked it up. Alex, that tradition is still kept in prison. Okay. That's interesting. A fresh trim. L Trades, good to see you. Thank you for being here. Wick 589. Curtis Hill, good morning to you. So there's a retest of the low. Here's the rollover. Probably a 15-minute wick test, maybe. No. "24-minute wick test." I wonder if the wicks actually know what a wick test trade is. I will have to teach the wicks the wick test. I'll definitely have to teach them that trade. The wicks should definitely know how to take a wick test trade. I have a video for you, wicks. Wifey's in the Discord. Wifey's in the Discord. Here. You go over here. We'll teach you the wick test. We have the wick test in here. The wick test. Let's go. Okay. There you go, wifey. I have my own version of it too. Somewhere in there. Thank you for being part of the gang, Wicks. I love you guys. They even have an Otter Gang mug. I love you guys. They are dinks. They pride themselves on being dinks. Dual income, no kids. Let's go, baby. Me and my wife used to be dinks, but now we are single income, one kid. So we are scionks. We're Psyonks. Psyoak. We are Psyoak. C-O-K. Let's go. All right, Pink, good morning. It's good to see everybody's actual name now. Rolling over here. Milan, don't get me started, man. Kalut, good morning, man. Good morning. Thank you for being here. Good morning, Papa. Oh, and friends, Randy Hipper. You guys are all subscribed to Randy Hipper. I know you are. Randy, did you get to 22? 21,900 subscribers. She's right there, guys. Get her to 22. 21.9. Doing good job. Keep it up. Super Ofertas, God bless, man. Thank you for being here, Guy Kempe. Mambi Pambi, yeah. Randy, Dave Digital, Curtis Hill. We're gonna go over and trade NASDAQ, everybody. Does Bitunix have NASDAQ? I don't think so. At least it's moving. Psyoaks sound wise. It sounds, yes. It sounds pretty good, doesn't it? 980? 980? 19 more? All right, guys, come on. What are we doing here? Let's change this channels to 22, everybody. Come on. Get over here. Go to the baking video with Randy Hipper here. Comment Otter Gang. We're going to do a giveaway. Here's the link. Come on, guys. We're waiting for price to move. Get over here. Comment Otter Gang. We'll do a 1 month giveaway. Let's get it to 22, please. Subscribe, please. Otter Gang. We'll do a 1 month giveaway here. Comment picker. Get over here. Comment Otter Gang. We'll do a giveaway. We're still waiting for price action, everybody. Let's go. Come on. Get over here. Otter Gang. Gang. Let's go. Infiltrate. Otter Gang. Lots of otters in the Otter Gang. Let's go, baby. Come on. Pump those numbers. Let's go. Subscribe, please. We need 19 subscribers. I know we can do it. I know we can do it. Pronounced Kempe. Okay, no problem. Thank you, Guy, for being here, man. What's going on, Danger? Good to see you, man. Jesse. We're crypto rich now. Let's go, baby. Are we pumping those numbers, guys? Come on. Otter Gang, we're doing a giveaway here. Cooking with Randy. Let's go, Otter Gang. Go over here and subscribe. Let's get those numbers up, please. Let's get her to 22,000. 21.9. Come on. It's unacceptable. There is almost 300 people in this chat. There's no way you're all subscribed. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Doing the giveaway. Otter Gang. Let's go, baby. Get over here and comment. What's going on, Wick? It's a quick Wick test. The perfect woman does not... ... 7 more. 6 more. Let's go. 6 more. Let's go, baby. Six more. Come on. Let's change this number. Let's change the number. Come on. 6 more. Look at Bitcoin. It's flat. What do you guys want from me? I can't. We ain't trading this yet. You gotta wait. NASDAQ bouncing. Bitcoin trying to bounce here. Are we there yet? 6 more. 5 more. Come on. Three more. Come on. Let's get over there. 22,000. Let's go. Bitcoin trying to bounce here. This is just flagging out, looking for a rollover. So we're looking for volume to pick up into here and go. That's what we're looking for right now, everybody. So in the meantime, go over there and subscribe to Randy. Support your gal. $22K, baby. Let's go. Glad we could help. 22,000 subscribers. Randy Hipper. Let's go. Gang, gang, gang. 22 years old and 22K. Great job, Randy. Congratulations. 22,000. Thank you, everybody, for subscribing to Randy's channel. We're going to go and comment pick away. Pick your noser. Filter comments. Otter Gang. Hopefully, you guys put Otter Gang in. We're going to do 15 seconds. 6 and 2 is 4. Get some comments. Good job, everybody. Thank you so much for supporting Randy. Good human. 22K. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And get some comments. We're going to go for the winner chicken dinner. Start. It's not starting. Four plus 2. Otter Gang, gang, gang. Let's go, baby. Giver's gain, always helping. Congratulations to whoever wins. If you're already a member, you will get 30 USDT as well. So we're just doing it. BMK Trading. Come over. Thank you and congratulations for being part of the Otter Gang, gang, gang. Always here helping others. BMK Trading. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come over to the Discord and claim your reward. Welcome to the gang. BMK Trading. Or if you're already a gang member and I just don't know your name, congratulations. BMK. Winner, chicken dinner. Thank you for being part of the gang. And Bitcoin is still where it is. Okay? Congratulations. BMK. It's in the game. Let's go, baby. Congratulations, Randy. 22,000. That's awesome. Good morning, Wave Safer. Good to see you. Albert Raja Guk in the chat, man. Love the name. 22K, everybody. Good job. So, is French Toaster here? French Toaster isn't here today. This is his poll, and he's not here. We're gonna have to give him. We're gonna have to give him. You got to pick the roller skates, okay? Why does roller skates have the least amount of votes here? Okay, you're climbing a mountain. Now I've climbed 4 or 5 mountains. Okay, legit mountains, like over 4,000 meters. Okay, still it's too scary. Clown shoes, forget about it. You need the toe grip. But roller skates, you know how fast you could. The worst part about going up the mountain is coming down the mountain. It's not about going up. It's about coming down the mountain. See, after you've done a 4-hour ascent to the peak and you hit that euphoric view and you're there and you're all excited, then you got to go down, okay? And the impact on your knees and on your ankles coming down a mountain, the slippery rocks. Let me tell you, if you had roller skates, it'd be easy, especially if you could skate like I can. Easy. You would just zip down that hill. You'd be down in no time. You'd be nice and smooth, and you'd be off to the races. So next time, wear your roller skates, okay? I'm very disappointed in you guys. You guys should all know roller skates is the answer. Anyways. Congratulations, Randy Hipper, on 22,000 subscribers. That is incredible. That is incredible. That is incredible. 22,000, man. Can you believe like 22,000 people have clicked that button? That's crazy, man. Congratulations. Congrats, BMK. Just come over to the Discord. Say hello. And yeah, I'd love to hook you up with some goodies, man. Incredible Discord full of kind people, kicking ass, taking names, making money, all that good stuff. If you are interested, consider joining the Discord. It is the best. That's it. It's the best, man. So much alpha there. Congratulations, BMK. Congratulations, Randy Hipper. That's awesome. Good to see a crypto ace. If the mountain was paved, yeah, that would be funny. I'm our only subscriber that's from Mexico. Okay. Always, Randy. You know, we're all family. You know, we all got to work together. Curtis Hill, what's going on? Delamonte, good morning to you. Crypto Surfer, good to see you. Thank you for being here. Alcohol is intoxicating. Yes, I don't drink. Eric Crown has a short about him getting SIM swapped. Okay. Rigged. It's all rigged. Yeah, it's all rigged. I don't know. I made the comment picker and I picked 22,000. Let's go. That's incredible. 22,000 people, man. Congratulations, Randy. Wick 589, Randy. Listen to Jesse. Roaming Brave. Good morning. Good to see you. I think we all have experience going downhill in a big hurry. Yeah. Have you ever seen the running of the cheese in England? You guys seen that, right? Mart Backer. What the F sakes? This channel needs more quality content for real. Thanks, man. I mean, that's a lot of acronyms. Thanks for being here, Martin. Appreciate you, bro. If the mountain was paved, yeah, I think that would be key. What's going on, Joan? Good to see you in the chat. Much love to you. Good morning. Jesse, good luck. Army Piper's going up mountains with 50 pounds of gear. No problem. Absolute soldier. Rashad, good morning to you. Good to see you. Safir, Henrique. You are correct. This is one of the best Discords I have come across. Thank you so much, Del Monte. Very grateful. Just grateful. We show up. We do our best. Show up every day. Do our best. Amazing traders. Traders helping traders. That's it. It's all the traders that we have put together. All 5 of them are actual people who are trading constantly, making their money from trading. That's what it's all about. 9:01. Okay, so we got an hourly update here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Good morning, Lewis. Good morning, Sparky. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. Let's take a look here at the hourly here. Obviously, we're stalling out at the lows here, looking for a rollover. Obviously, we've just rolled over this whole time, so what would we expect? Similar, okay? Looking for a little rollover dump, okay? Coming into 105.5, that would be our pink box level. Looking at our hourly market cipher here, we do have a confirmed green dot now on the bottom. This does not mean diddly squat. It's just another green dot. Who cares? We're coming down. Everything's bleeding out. Everything's pointing down. Anytime we come up for air, we get slapped back down. So just be prepared that we are in a downtrend in this current environment with very low volatility, which means we do not want to be a victim of a dump because the pumps will be slow and painful, and then they'll rug you. So be prepared for that. We always want to be a prepared trader, therefore a profitable trader. We do have a lot of liquidity below us that we can come look to take. Right now, I'm looking at 105.5. Golden pocket, volume level, order block, okay? Multiple confluences in one area. That's where I'm looking first, and we'll see. If we do not hold there, then we're looking at 104.5. 104.5, okay? If this, then that, prepared trader. That's it. Looking for a retracement, possible push up to this momentum trend line, okay? If we get up there, we look for potential shorts, depending on price action, okay? We do have some news coming out today, so be prepared for that. We have our beautiful jolts coming in at 10 a.m., so we're going to go a little bit longer today and see what the news does bring for us. It's not going to be a massive catalyst that's going to change the world, but it's something that we should always be aware of that does bring volatility and a potential opportunity to take a trade. So we'll keep that in mind as well. Okay. Going back over here, looks like we are getting a little bit of a rollover. I don't know, like, come on, we're not going to pick this apart. It's 0.7 of a move, but we are looking right now for that SFP reclaim continuation trade here. That's what we're looking for. We'll see if we get it. If not, we expect a rollover. Okay? Going into our 30-minute time frame here, what are we seeing? We are seeing a red dot. So this is, red dot, green dot, red dot, green dot, VWAP crossover to the downside. Stochastics bleeding out. Everything's pointing down right now. We are making higher lows on money flow. However, we are due for a correction in here. So we'll see if it does want to continue to push up or if it's done dumping. We'll see. We're in an area where it could be done dumping. Why? Because we have swept this low here. We have actually come and grabbed this liquidity in here, right? Liquidity in the lows has been taken. Obviously, there's more lows over here, but this is the first low that we were interested in. I did take a long this morning, stopped out $100. $100 trade. Little measly trade here. So we'll see if we do want to go lower or if this is sufficient enough to push price back up into some retracement levels that we're looking. Major rejection levels 107.2. That's going to be where we're looking for price to push up into. Major volume level here. If we pull the volume across our beautiful price action here, we can simply see that within this range, that's kind of the level that we need to get above if we're going to continue. Look at the big old volume point of control in here. So that's going to be really a stopping point for us if we can, retrace, putting in a low, mitigating that low, pushing up, retracing, and continuing down, okay? We'll see. We'll see. Okay, stalling out at the bottom here creates some sort of double bottom, but for me, let's not get too much hopium slippers on. Let's just be patient and wait for price to give us some sort of signal, because we know once we enter the trade, we're going to have to wait forever because volatility is low. Go and watch the VIX. If you don't know how to watch the VIX, you go over here. You go to the VIX, okay? And when it's below, I would say 18, it's slow AF, okay? So when we're below here, it's very, very slow and painful price action, right? We're very, very slow. When, Donald Trump is tweeting about tariffs, we are absolutely insanity, right? We are bouncing all around like craziness. So right now we're in slow AF territory, so be prepared for slow AF price action, okay? Going into our 15-minute here, what we can see is that we are looking for bottoming structure. We're looking for some sort of higher low continuation trade, break of structure, continuation out. Stalling out here, to me, suggests that we're going to roll over. Because trend, right? Trend is our friend until we have a confirmed structure change, which would be a low, a higher low, and a mitigation of that high continuation. That would be the changing character that we're looking for. We do not have that yet. So any long should be looking for a retracement, not a Valhalla trade. Okay? Prepared traders. So we wait. We wait and we wait and we wait, and that's fine. We'll be all right. Okay? It's summer lulls right now. Okay? Go pet your dog, kiss your children, touch some grass, touch some ass, whatever you're into. Or you can stay here and hang out with me and watch the slow burn happen. There are opportunities. It's just a matter of waiting and being patient. Okay? So thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 320 people in here hanging out. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel, smacking those like buttons. Subscribe if you're new. We got 123 likes here. I think we can do a little bit better. I always like to try and get 200. So if you guys wouldn't mind just giving that thing a little tickle, that'd be cool. And, we'll continue to show up, take trades, kick ass, take names. That's it. That's what it's all about. Let me know in the chat. Are you long or are you short? Okay, maybe you guys are short from the top. I'd like to recognize your courage overnight to take a trade at over the night and be short. You kicking ass, taking names. Let me know in the chat. You guys looking long? You looking to short? How's it going? Appreciate you all for being here. Who's being a douche canoe? Oh, yeah. Someone was being a douche canoe. That's fine. I don't mind. Looks like we are getting a little bit of a pushback here. I do like this engulfing candle right now. Strong candle. Suggesting strength here, so is it buyable? That's the question, right? I'm going to get some coffee. I don't think it's buyable, in my opinion. So I'm going to get some coffee and have a piddle. I'll be back. It's a good candle, eh? I guess it was a good candle. It was a good candle, man. Damn. It's a great candle. Gets the people going. All right, push in here a little bit. Push in here a little bit. Anybody buy the candle? Fecker, good morning. Thank you for being here. Django, what's going on? Good to see you. You're not trading TRX, are you, Django? Safir, good morning. Henrique. DDT. Rashad. Thank you, Gains for Life. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. I ate 4 eggs for lunch with avocado and bacon, Dave. Let's go. Dave Digital, ask the Discord members what I had for breakfast yesterday. Ask them. Ask them, Dave. Ask how healthy I was, okay? I had fresh strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries with homemade granola and maple syrup with Greek yogurt. It was something of magnificence, okay? What's going on, Matt Hugh? Good morning to you, man. Thank you for being here. AlexOCrypto. My TRX long is working out. Me and Gio see eye to eye. Me and Gio, we're right there. He's like 5'3 3/4. I'm like 5'4 1/8. You guys took the long? You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy, man. Happy Canada Day to everybody here. Thank you for being here. 12 Big Dow, what's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. I better recognize Tyson Prosper. Good morning. Good to see you. Ivan Hernandez. No song. We pumped that song. That was the long right there. Everybody's long now, and I'm missing it. Jeanette, good morning. Good to see you. Where's that moon phase right now, Jeanette? Let's take a look. Moon phase. Where are we at with the moons? Got to check the moon phase here, everybody. Okay, we got a bearish moon. 15 days till a bullish moon. 15 here. Oh my God, that's hilarious. You know what's funny is that July 9th, so this is the 10th, we're getting a bullish moon on the 10th. Okay? Look at this. Bullish moon on the 10th. July 9th is when they have the tariff deals. Friends, it just couldn't. The moon gods have spoken. Okay? All things point to the 9th and the 10th. You heard it here first, okay? You heard it here first. Moon phase. Don't get it twisted, man. It works. I bet you all wish you bought this moon. I bet you all sold on this moon. Okay? Don't tell me it doesn't work. Look at this buy signal. Don't tell me this doesn't work. Look at this sell signal up here. Don't tell me this doesn't work. Obviously, you use it with other confluences, okay? Oh, man. Alexo's pulling out the moon cycles. Somebody get him some price action here. BMK, Shy Owl here. I wrote you a Discord, if possible. Would you like? I'd like you to donate the $30 to the dog shelter. Yeah, man. Absolutely. Absolutely. You wrote me in the Discord. Let's go and take a look. I don't see it. I don't see your message, my friend. Is it in the chat with Alex or something? Anyways, I would love to. I'd love to do it. Message me. I won't message you directly. So, Shy, I will always just come over here, right? There's multiple areas to ask me anything. If I'm gonna message you, like I did with Joan, right? Joan needed help yesterday. I will message you and I will say, hi, this is the buy and sell order. I will say something absolutely ridiculous. I'll say, like, I fart for breakfast. Okay. I will say something that a scammer wouldn't say. Come over here. Don't message. There's 1,000 million AlexO scammers. Come over to the Discord. Ask Alex anything for non-members. For members, you have chat with Alex. You can ask me anything in here. Okay? I'm always available, but I will not message you privately, okay? Good afternoon, all. Sorry I'm late. Let's begin. What's going on, Lightio? Yeah, we are possibly considering a long here, but I had to go piddle and I missed the candle. Nice little push here. Anybody's like trading view or trading platforms had like a lot of lag lately, like weird lag? Mine has been acting up quite aggressively. There you go. Shy Owl, yeah. Okay. Let me know where to donate. Look at the push. Everybody's long and not me. I'm upset now. I'm upset. It works. Jeanette knows. Como, what's going on? Good morning. GG, what's going on? Good morning. Thank you for saying good morning and not being a lurker, everybody. BMK, thank you for being here as well. I will donate to your dog shelter, of course. I like mooning. I haven't mooned someone since then, like, I was probably in my 20s. I probably mooned someone in my 20s. The best moon is when you when you're wearing like a long t-shirt and you got the moon out already and then you just lift the t-shirt. That's the best moon. Don't you think? It's like the surprise moon. Because there's no like pulling the shorts down or whatever. It's just the moon's out already. It's like it's hiding behind a cloud. And you just lift the shirt and you got him, right? Bam! Hit him with that moon. That's the best moon. Put a 1 in the chat if you know what I'm talking about. You guys know the best moon is the hidden moon. The moon behind the cloud. What is mooning? Okay. This is mooning, okay? You see here? Django? This would be your moon. On roller skates. And I'm demonetized again. Full moon. What's going on? Sandaruan Rajapaksha Dewaya Laje. You're Sri Lankan for sure. For sure. ETH is sideways. 2378 buy level. I love a good name, guys. I love a good name. I feel slightly responsible. I mean, it is what it is. Thank you, R Pink. Fake push. Fahad, thank you. Timothy Hill, perfect example. Yeah, that was a good one. All right. Yeah, I am from Sri Lanka. The longest names known to man. I had two Sri Lankan friends in high school. Shivanujan Chanjakumar and Niroshan Sarweswaran. You can't beat it, man. Longest names known to man. Good guys though. Good people. Great curry. Man, the best curry I've ever had in my life. Yeah, the other day we were watching you live. My time frames were off. Yeah. Mad lag trading view recently. Yeah, same. Same. It's like the price is moving slower, so why is it lagging? Try updating? Okay. I'm always afraid to update anything. I have like if there was a phobia, it's updating anything. I update the computer every now and then, and like my Streamlabs gets messed up. It's like my mic gets messed up, my camera. Good morning, Melissa. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Melissa's been watching me from day one. I appreciate you, Melissa. Tim Young, Timothy Hill. Lurkers in the chat. 9:22. 8 minutes, everybody. Adrian Starfish, what's going on, man? We're doing well. We're doing well. It's Canada Day. Happy Canada Day, everybody. Hopefully you're all having some maple syrup in my honor. Some King Beaver, Lord Otter, King Beaver. So salute to the beavers. Did you know that the coolest things are Canadian? You know that Canadians invented basketball? Okay. Did you know that Wolverine is Canadian? Even when he's riding a moose. Wolverine and Deadpool is Canadian. Both Canadian. The coolest superheroes in all of superhero worlds. Let me know in the chat, what is your favorite superhero? What is your favorite superhero? I've been a diehard Wolverine fan since I was able to be a fan of anything. I got me drawing Wolverine when I was like 3. I got the photos. I got the drawings. I can go get the drawings if you want to see AlexOCrypto's 3-year-old, 4-year-old drawings. They're not that great, but I was drawing Wolverine. Okay? I like me some Wolverine. Big Batman fan too, like the OG Batman. Right? What is OG Batman? What era who was your Batman? Are you guys all like, I bet you guys are all Dark Knight Batman, right? You guys are all Christian Bale Batman, right? You're not Val Kilmer Batman. I'm Val Kilmer Batman. Some of you are Michael Keaton Batman, which is pretty cool as well. Are you a Michael Keaton Batman, or are you a Val Kilmer Batman, or are you a Christian Bale Batman? I'm a Val Kilmer Batman. If you know, you know. Okay? You see? This is my Batman. This was the Batman. Just when CGI was good enough, you had the Riddler, Two-Face, my God, Jim Carrey as the Riddler, Batman Forever. Oh, you can't beat it, man. You can't beat it. So good, man. This was classic. And then you had Arnold as Mr. Freeze. Oh, man. Arnold as Mr. Freeze. You can't beat Arnold as Mr. Freeze. Arnold as Mr. Freeze. So good. Okay, nice pushback here. Bullish engulfing again. Coming into market open, we got 5 minutes, everybody. A little bit of patience here. Jim Carrey was so good as the Riddler, man. I'm a Robert Patterson Batman. Oh, God. I'm sorry to hear that. Twilight Batman. Nice push up in here coming into market open. Okay. Strength in the move. Couple nice green candles. Keaton all day. Yeah, I can see that. I'm old Michael Keaton is the Batman. Okay. Ben Affleck, the worst Batman known to man. Put a 1 in the chat. Ben Affleck as Batman. Batman versus Superman. The worst Batman of all time. Put a 1 in the chat. Put a 1 in the chat. The worst. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is horrible. So bad, man. Not enough ones. Not enough ones. Justin Bieber's your superhero? You guys are crazy. Iron Man, okay. Jim Carrey is Canadian, yes. The Silver Surfer, okay. Nice push here. You guys all long? I mean, we could have got long off this candle here. A little bit hesitant coming into market open. That's weird. Like yesterday we had the move coming into market open as well. And we didn't really get that push through. We got Powell at, oh, nice push here. Nice push. Let's go, Bitcoin. We got Powell at 9:30. We could listen to Powell. I mean, it is, you know. Let's do a poll. Nice push here. I am Batman. Definitely the worst Batman. You need to watch that one again. Yeah. The Riddler, man. So good. Jim Carrey. So many questions. So many questions. Whatever happened to Aquaman? Did he drown? Adam West, okay. Michael Keaton all day. I liked Val Kilmer, man. I got the Batmobile still from Val Kilmer. I'd have to dig it out, but I still have that Batmobile. I plan on giving it to my son. Good comedians from Canada, yeah, because we have to laugh. We have to laugh because of how much misery there is here. Which one was the hot Catwoman? Yeah, Michelle Pfeiffer all day. Christian Bale did an amazing job of Batman. I'll never downplay Christian Bale, like the Dark Knight series, all that. Amazing. Heath Ledger, right? Incredible. Incredible. But like the nostalgic, for me, Batman Forever, the Penguin as De Niro, right? You had the Joker as, my God, drawing a blank. Drawing a blank. Drawing a blank. What's his name? The Shining. What's his name? The Shining. Jack Nick. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful push here coming into market open. Market is open. Ding, 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 ding. Let's go, baby. The NASDAQ pushing back. Bitcoin trying to rip here. Did you guys take the long? That's what I want to know. If you guys are long, put a 1 in the chat. Are we going to listen to Jerome Powell? That's also another question. We can see here that we are pushing. Let's see what the gap is on the S&P, continuing to rip to the upside here. Gapping down this morning, gapping down. So we'll see how we do come back and fill typically, as you can see in here. So can we continue to push here? Bitcoin blowing off, putting in a new high, coming up into VWAP. Possibly looking for a short this morning. See if we get the opportunity up in this area here. Golden pocket, VWAP, slap. We'll see. Little fair value gap up in here as well. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 371 people here. We are live on Canada Day. Thank you, everybody, for being here. This is typically a vacation for me, but guess what? I'm here because, that's how we roll, man. We always showing up for you guys, and thank you for showing up for me. We got 370 people in here and only 164 likes. I know you guys all took that long without me. I went for the coffee. You guys took the long. Great job, everybody. I love seeing you guys win. This is never, ever, ever financial advice. I'm just some Canadian riding a moose with a polar bear in the backyard who's 5'4", with a wife and kid who really do not care about your P&L, okay? You are responsible for your own trading. This is never, ever, ever to be taken seriously. This is for entertainment purposes only. We like to watch candles all day long, and that's kind of my job. If you are new here, subscribe. Thank you for being here. We're live every single day, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., kicking ass, taking names, taking trades, having fun with everybody. Thank you guys for being here, slapping up that like button, subscribe, and hanging out. If you want going to take this a little bit further, you can join the Discord. We'd love to have you over there. God bless every single one of you. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. Now let's kick some ass. Market is open. We got Powell speaking today. We got the S&P chopping about. We have slow, painful price action, but we can manage our risk, take high probability trade setups, and hopefully we can all win. Congratulations on your little long here. You're up 0.25%, and you guys are laughing to the bank. We'll see if we can continue to hopefully set you guys up with success. But that was the long there. SFP in here. Continuation up here. Coming into VWAP. We'll see if we do get a slap and dump. But putting in a new high as we speak. Looking like a push up right now. Bottoming structure. Sweeping that low. Looking for a continuation up into here. We'll see what we get. Thank you for being here, everybody, hanging out. You guys said there's some sort of Jerome Powell speaking. What is it? Fox News? Fox Business? VWAP slap right now? Trump's big, beautiful bill? Bitcoin ripping right now. I don't know if this is it. I don't think this is it. Pushing into VWAP here. Nice slap. Rejection. What's going on, Timothy Hill? You're fired. Trump hand cobra. I've never heard it called a hand cobra. That's pretty good. Long and strong. Whiff long. Yes, I took profits long. Good job, everybody. I'm glad I could talk you through it. I'm upset I didn't join you, but that's okay. Today I don't feel good because I'm sick. I hope you feel better there, Rashad. Anne Hathaway, Catwoman, was good. It's no Pfeiffer, man. Bale and American Psycho, yeah. Lemon and Ginger, baby. Lemon and Ginger. Jedi Gaze, what's going on, bro? Good to see you here. Alexandra G. Crypto Mike, good morning, brother. How you been? Nice close. 75% out. Good job, everybody. Way to pay yourselves in this environment. Very good discipline. Golden Child, this is not anchored VWAP. It's just a standard deviation VWAP here. You can copy it. Third and second group of bands, okay? It's regular VWAP with deviations. 1 to 1, 2 to 1, and 2.5 to 1. All right, just tickling the VWAP right now. NASDAQ chopping sideways. SPY pushing up a little bit here. So strengthen the SPY. Little retracement here for Biddy. Coming into our golden pocket. Getting above VWAP. Looking for potential short here. See what happens. A little overextended here. Nice push for Bitcoin. Late shorts getting wrecked right now. Very nice push here. Biddy to the moon. Hitting that golden pocket right now. Trying to hold VWAP. See if we do get a rejection here. Or if we get VWAP flip continuation. Not as aggressive as a move through VWAP as I would like for a continuation trade. So I'm not taking no long here. Especially coming into like a golden pocket retracement level here. In a downtrend, okay? That's the thing here is, we haven't really changed structure. I mean, you could say we flipped, 5-minute structure here after taking that high. Nice rejection here, coming back, retesting lows. Losing VWAP. Don't you dare stop at VWAP. Don't you dare do it, Bitcoin. Don't chop. We do not. VWAP chop is the worst place to be, everybody. We do not want chop VWAP. We want to move away from VWAP here, especially market open here. Please do not stay at VWAP. Chair Pal's wearing no tie. It's not here. I don't know where it is, guys. Oh, there he is. They voted. Dumping. Dumping. Considering a long here. This is like a retest continuation back up. Big dump here off of the rejection. Did anybody take that short? Jeez. What a dump. No trade here. Looking for a pushback here, but quite an aggressive dump here. Might not get it. Nasdaq's flat. SPY's flat. British guy's flat. I'd like to see a pushback here, back up into this 105, 106.5, but Biddy rolling over. SFP of the low. Rolling over SFP now. SFP. Considering a long here. Stalling out. I'm going to take a long here. Quick TPs though. I'd like to see a bounce here. Bounce Bitcoin. Come on, baby. TP1 hit. Stop loss to entry. See if we can keep pushing here. Let's go, Biddy. I like the SFP. See if we can keep pushing here. Come on, Bitcoin. TP2 hit. Let's go, baby. GG's, everybody. Easy SFP, everybody. To the moon. Let's go. GG's in the chat. Let's go. Bitcoin to the moon. I don't see enough GG's in the chat, man. Come on, baby. That's a big orb. We got Orbi-Wan Kenobi today. Good patience this morning. Good patience, everybody. Looking for a follow through here. See if we can continue to push here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out with me. God bless every single one of you guys. Taking trades, kicking ass. Come on, Betty, push. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. I'm going to take some more off there. 300 realized, everybody. 272, actually. GG's, everybody. See if we can keep pushing. Thanks, Dave. I appreciate you, bro. Come on, Betty. Push it, baby. Good trade, everybody. Good trade. Good patience today. How many of you just got wrecked? That's what I want to know. Look at this, baby. Let's push it. I don't know who else does this. You guys are killing it, man. You guys are killing it. Good job, everybody. Good job, everybody. Look at this thing. Valhalla. Let's go, baby. Get through that VWAP. Flip orb. Orb, VWAP, golden pocket resistance right now. We just chilling in the money. Right? We just chilling in the money. Let's go, baby. Congratulations, gang. Let's see some otters in the chat. No? Otters in the chat. Like and subscribe. We got 400 people in here, only 195 likes. Let's go, baby. I am Batman. Let's go, baby. We were waiting for that SFP all morning. Just a little tickle this time. No like real bounce, which is fine. You want subtitles? X Max Biomax. What's going on? North Sea, good to see you. Thank you for being here. VWAP slap again. RS Miller, let's go. RS Miller, I got you. Border Collie coming through. Nice V-shaped recovery. Let's go, baby. We long. Struggling right now. Billy Goat Tails tonight, yeah. Billy Goat Tails tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Biddy just chilling right now. S&P pumping, baby. NASDAQ pumping, baby. Ethereum looks like shite. Nice trigger wave pushing us up here too on like the 12-minute. See if we can get above this trend line, man. The real long is here. Okay, if we break out and retest, that's the long we want. This one might take us up to some resistance here. But this is the long we want today. Or maybe next week with the price action. I don't know if I like this lady. She wants the digital euro. She wants the digital euro. I don't know, CBDC, man. I'm not sure if I like her. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? He's a prune. Okay. You said it, not me. They want to use the people's savings. Yeah, that's, I don't know, man. I stay out of that, man. Buy Bitcoin, live in the mountains, hide. I'm just going to hide with my beautiful wife and my beautiful son. Hang out with you guys on the internet. Talk a lot of smack, make a lot of money. That's it. That's the whole plan, man. Billy Goats, 9 p.m. Cool. We all along, baby. Let's go. Got a bit of a mustache going on there, right in the middle. What do you guys think? I'm gonna get in so much trouble, man. I'm I'm gonna go wash my hands after that. Whatever you do, don't put your hand out like this. I was just going to scratch my head. Pump it, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Let's go. I love Jerome, man. The whitest Jerome around. Kicking ass, taking names, man. I love this guy. Cut rates already, bro. William Curry, you're pretty upset, man. Rock the flavor saver. I'm keeping this one for later. I'm in Toronto too, Timothy. Tirana. Go Leafs go, baby. Get rid of Marner. We're at a very heavy state of resistance here, okay? So we have downtrending momentum right here. We have our golden pocket 786. We have VWAP in here, and we have the top of the orb. Lots of resistance in here. So if anything, if they're going to pop it, right, they would consolidate, sweep, and then go. That would be generally what I would expect. So they're trapping longs right here, and they're going to rug the longs, come halfway down this candle and send it, or they're going to pump it, get everybody excited, and then they're going to rug them, okay? No matter what, in this situation, you're looking for the rug. When they rug, you find the key area for them when they're done the rug, and then you get long. You don't buy here. You wait. You wait for the rug. And in those who got long with me, we take some profits up at the highs here. Breaking out of orb here. Trying to get above that 786. TP 106,950. Just front running that psychological 107 level. Come on, Biddy. Come on, baby. Nice entry, everybody. I think we deserve to give a little pat on the back for that entry. Give yourself a pat. Maybe a belly rub and a pat. Let's see, everybody. We got 360 people in here. So imagine 360 people all sitting at their desks in their job sites, rubbing their stomach and patting their head at the same time. What a sight. What a sight. You guys are weirdos, man. I love you. I love you all. I love you all. Thanks, Cypher. This guy's smart AF, man. This guy's smart. You can tell. My cousin used to teach English in Korea. The kids there, okay, because she used to teach like grade 2, I think. They're doing like full on plays in English, okay? Full on English plays. The three little pigs. They're like 5 years old. 5 years old Korean kids doing the Three Little Pigs as a play in English. We stupid over here. We still playing with mud. I'm just saying. We still licking windows and eating glue. Come on, Bitcoin, do something, man. No capital gains on Bitcoin. That's all you got to say, baby. Which candle you use for confirmation on the SFP? So we didn't use confirmation on the candle, just price action. Okay, so price action did a job here, right? So with this trade, we understood that we were looking for an SFP. We were looking for this low to be taken. We have bull divs. We have a higher low, continuation trade. What are they going to do? They're going to take liquidity before they send price up. Okay? They're going to take liquidity before they send price up. GG's TP about to be hit. Good patience, everybody. Good job, everybody. Front running that. Oh, they're going to not. Look at that. Look at that. They're not going to give it to me. They know. They all know. They're watching the stream. Literally front ran me. So we know to look for the SFP here. So price action, we're still interested in this. Even here, we wanted to see that, right? We wanted to see price action come in, take the liquidity, and go. Wreck all the people who are long from here. That's what we wanted to see. What did we get? We got a pump into market open, into VWAP, a slap, and then a very aggressive volume candle all the way down into our low, which is an SFP. We bought the candle. That's it. TP hit. TP hit, everybody. We just hit GG's again. GG's in the chat. Congratulations on being patient. TP hit. Good job, everybody. Okay. GG's, GG's. So it's understanding what price is going to do in this area, where we're looking for the trade, being patient. And when you take this trade here, your R multiple is so high. You're long like this, your stop loss is just below the low here, and you're looking to come up into resistance, right? Okay? This is such a cheap trade. I always talk about cheap trades, right? So you are wrong if we lose this low. You're wrong, right? So you don't have to risk too much here to participate. We love trades like this. Okay? Generally, with this trade, you're waiting for the SFP, the reclaim of the range, and then the go. But in this case, we came down and we just stopped here. We just stopped. So I pressed buy. Okay, we didn't get that follow through. We just stopped. So with the stop, I said, hey man, we could push back from here. So we took the trade. Managed the risk, made some money. And that's the explanation. Okay? Hopefully that makes sense to you. Generally, in this area, we are looking for the push through, the reclaim, and the go. With the amount of volume we have right now in the market, we're lucky to get anything. So this is great. Hopefully that makes sense to you. We just got that news data coming in. Sorry, everybody, that I missed that. I was explaining here. So Jolts came in. Jolts came in at 7.7, which means the increase in jobs, which is a good sign. Manufacturing coming in above forecast, which is good. So good job data here coming in, everybody. Sorry, I missed that. Good job data coming in here. S&P flat, NASDAQ rolling over. Looking to get up into here, then looking for the short here, guys. We're looking for the short up in here. At least back into these highs here. But we'll see. What makes you want to close out fully at this target? Because of the way I trade. I protect my capital at all costs. That is how I trade. I wait a long time. I execute. I pay myself. I cut losses quick. There's no long here. No. There's no long here. Golden pocket's gone. Okay. Golden pocket's gone. You have orb retest continuation trade possibility here. So you have VWAP to hold. Can you come and go? Absolutely. I'd be more interested in something down in here. Revisited this high here. You see the high here? High here. Low here. Okay. So I'd be interested in us coming a little bit lower, but that would mean we'd be below VWAP. So I would look for us to retrace back into this area here. Push, reclaim, and go. Okay, that's where I would long. Stop loss below the low here. That's how I'd look to get back into a potential long right now. And I mean, you could press buy right now and win. Of course. Where the hell's your stop loss going, right? VWAP retest, VWAP slap, continuation up, possibility too. We know we're coming into a lot of resistance here. We have the liquidity of the high here. We have the point of control here. We have an order block in here. Right now we want to see a break into here, retest of that trend line. Hopefully VWAP can creep up by that time, and then we can look to get long again. Mitigating this high, changing market structure, higher low, continuation out. Okay, that's how we do it. There's the link for that video. It's I have 3 screens, Timothy Hill. All right. I have 3 screens. Thank you, everybody, for being here. What an amazing trade here for a slow volatility day. Take it to the bank. Run away. Thank you, everybody, for being here. God bless you all. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for supporting the channel. Looking for that resistance at 107.2. We'll see if we do get there. You guys are kicking ass, taking names. Thank you for supporting the channel. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that like button on your way out if you're enjoying the content. I'm going to send you guys over to, let's send you over to, let's go and invade Trades by Matt. Maybe you guys can learn some scalping strategies from him. Traders helping traders. Go and throw some otters in his chat if you don't mind. And if you found value, thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful day. God bless you all. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.